In today's video, I'm going to show you how to renew your Ontario driver license online. But first, we must know if you're eligible for renewal. You can renew online if you have a full class license, G, M, or GM, and it's not suspended or canceled. And if you've not changed address in last 90 days, and you don't need a new photo or vision or medical test. The next step is gathering the documents that you will need. Have ready your driver's license number, your 7-digit trillium number found on the back of your driver's license, your postal code, and your health card. And if you're renewing your health card, have it ready with you as well. Then next, you must visit the Service Ontario Renew page. You can follow that link by clicking on this button. You will then redirected to this page. So from here, you can also see the requirements that you need to have ready with you and eligibility requirements and cost and delivery details. Then you can now proceed by pressing continue. Of course, make sure that you tick the box that you agree that you read and understood the information. Then press continue. And here, just answer all the questions and follow all the on screen prompts. And as you've seen earlier, you're going to pay for the $90 fee using Visa or MasterCard. From there, confirmation will then appear instantly. So if your current license expired, you'll then get a temporary license document to download and print. Keep it with your old license until the new one arrives by mail. At the end, you're all set. Your license is valid for another 5 years. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!